Economics Lesson 1: Gross Domestic Product and its growth. Have you ever been to the doctor for a checkup? What are the procedures the doctor goes through to make sure you're healthy? The doctor might take your temperature or evaluate your growth on a chart to see how your body is doing. Did you know that your country's economy gets a checkup too? Sometimes people need to take a close look at all the buying and selling happening within a country to see if the economy is healthy or not. Let us learn about how this happens while we take the economy in for its own checkup. Buying and selling happens all over the world. People buy goods, physical things like a basketball, and services, actions people perform for each other like a car repair. A country's economy is made up of all the production and consumption of goods and services within that country. Production and consumption of goods and services are usually associated with the exchange of money. Therefore, if a country has a high level of goods and services being produced or consumed, that is usually a good thing. So, GDP. In this lesson, we are studying about GDP. GDP is important because it gives information about the size of the economy and how an economy is performing. The growth rate of real GDP is often used as an indicator of the general health of the economy. In broad terms, an increase in real GDP is interpreted as a sign that the economy is doing well. So there is no doubt that GDP is one of the effective measurement of economic growth. Gross domestic product. GDP or gross domestic product is the market value of all final goods and services produced in a country in a given time period. This definition has four parts: market value, final goods and services produced within a country, that is, within the geographical territories or boundaries in a given period time. Actually, gross domestic product is a measure used to evaluate the health of a country's economy. It is a total value of goods and services produced in a country during a specific period of time, usually that is a year. GDP is used throughout the world as the main measure of output and economic activity. Each country prepares and publishes its own GDP data regularly. In addition, international organizations such as the World Bank and International Monetary Fund periodically publish and maintain historical GDP data for many countries. When an economy experiences several consecutive quarters of positive GDP growth, it is considered to be an expansion, and that is also called as economic boom. Conversely, when it experiences two or more consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth, the economy is generally considered to be in a recession, and it is also called as economic burst. The total value of all final goods and services accruing to an economy in one accounting year. GDP is equal to C. C is for consumption plus I, gross investment by firms, plus G, the expenditure of the government, plus X minus M, whereas X is exports and M is imports. So the difference between the value of exports and imports. It includes all the value of all expenditure within the economy, regardless of who earns it. It is concerned only about the place of production that should be within the geographical boundaries of the country. Goods and services. Goods are tangible items, while services are activities which are intangible. That is, a good is something which we can see, we can touch, and we can feel. It is something we can use. Everything, the chalk piece, this blackboard, the book, the car, the dress, the bangle, the spectacles, the cycle, bike, helmet, clothes, everything is a good. But service, what is a service? A service is something done for someone else. Sometimes people are paid for their service and sometimes they are not. The service of a nurse, the service of a lawyer, the teaching of a teacher, the service of a cook in a restaurant, everything comes under service. Market value. This is the price at which goods and services are sold in the market. One buyer might be willing to pay more than anyone, but how much would most buyers pay? That is what market value looks like. What are final goods and services? GDP is the value of final goods and services produced. A final good or service is an item bought by its final user during a specified time period. A final good contrasts with an intermediate good, which is an item that is produced by one firm, bought by another firm, and used as a component of a final good or service. Excluding intermediate goods and services avoids double counting. So, the value of intermediate goods and services are not added to the GDP to avoid double counting. A good that the final consumer consumes is a consumer good or final good. So that final good cannot be used for making something further. The intermediate good is used to make something else. GDP includes the value of final goods, not the intermediate goods, to avoid the problem of double counting. When the value of intermediate goods is included, then there arises the problem of double counting. For example, wood is purchased at the price of rupees 100 and then the table is made and sold at rupees 500. Then the GDP is calculated by considering the final value, which is 500 and not 600.